for the sake of argument, Duterte, as part of your protocol, he was denied from his constitutional rights to seek his legal counsel. He was denied by the people who arrested him in the Philippines. In the Netherlands, you also have the constitutional rights to seek legal counsel. Pero po, President Rodrigo Roa Duterte was denied by his constitutional rights, not only in the Philippines, but also in the Netherlands. Sino ba ang mahal ng masang Pilipino? Sino ang pinakamagaling na presidente ng Pilipinas? Bring him home! Bring him home! Bring him home!
Bring him home! Bring him home!
We would also like to acknowledge our media friends here, the local media in the Philippines. Please report what is currently happening here in the Netherlands. You come here in our event and you are cherry picking. You are only sensationalizing and you are not reporting what is currently happening here.
Bayad! Bayad sila! Bayad
I
sila! Bayad!
challenge you. You are
Ay, sa mga taga-
giving
Batangas.
disservice to the Filipino people. I-report nyo na ang mga Pilipino community, hindi lamang dito sa Netherlands at sa buong mundo, suportado namin si President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Hindi kami bayad. Hindi kami bayad. Hindi kami bayad. Hindi kami bayad. We welcome you in our activity. Do not cherry pick. Report what the Filipino needs to know. The cry of the Filipino, the support and the love of the Filipino people to Rodrigo Roa Duterte. He in the Philippines, he does not belong here. The foreign judges doesn't have the right to judge Rodrigo Roa Duterte. He must be in the Philippines. We would like to recognize the presence of our beloved attorney, Salvador Pinildea. Siya po ang nagtaklon sa ating pinakamahal na presidente sa Pilipinas, si Rodrigo Roa Duterte! Lord, we would like to let everybody know that the Philippines is a sovereign country. We have our own legal system. Rodrigo Roa Duterte does not belong here. He deserves...
Alam ko po yun dahil sa 6 na taon na pagsilbi niya bilang Pangulo ng ating bayan, iisa lang ang kanyang kaibigan. Ang kaibigan niya ay ang taong Pilipino. Pilipinas ang minumutya, bugad ng luha at dalika. Aking ahika, makita kang sa dalayan. Panginoon, dinggin mo po ang aming mga panalangin. Kaming mga mamayang Pilipino, bigyan mo pa kami ng hustisya. Maawa ka po sa aming bansang Pilipinas. Marami po kami pasaway na politiko. Inubos na po ang pira ng bayan. Panginoon, ikaw na lang po ang aming pag-asa. Ang nagbigay ng ilaw, nagbigay ng tamang daan para sa bayan. Ibon man may layang lumipad, kulungin mo at umiiyak. Bayan pa kayang sakdal nila, ang di magnasang mag-aalpas. Everybody sing! Pilipinas kung minumutya,
Live po tayo.
bugad ng luha ang dalita. Aking ahika, makita kang sa dalayan. Maraming salamat po.
We would like to acknowledge the support of one of the bravest attorney in the Philippines, which he is also one of the 4 accredited attorney to defend someone in an international criminal court. Attorney Harry Roque won't be, I'm so sorry he won't be here with us, but his spirit is with us. He has very important things to do, pero pinaparating po niya sa mga mamamayang Pilipino, mahal po niya ang Pilipino, kaya po dinidefend at pinoprotektahan niya po si Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Hindi lamang po si PRRD, kundi po ang minamahal nating VP, si Inday Duterte. Let me reiterate, the Philippine government, isinuko nila ang isang Filipino citizen sa Banyaga. We don't deserve this. The Filipino doesn't deserve this. The Filipino people are crying and we would like to submit our grievances to ICC, to the International Criminal Court. We are no longer a signatory of the Roman Statute. And for the sake of argument, Duterte, as part of your protocol, he was denied from his constitutional rights to seek his legal counsel. He was denied by the people who arrested him in the Philippines. In the Netherlands, you also have the constitutional rights to seek legal counsel. Pero po, President Rodrigo Roa Duterte was denied by his constitutional rights, not only in the Philippines, but also in the Netherlands.
So yun po mga kababayan, no, at nagtipon-tipon ngayon ang libo-libong Pilipino mga kababayan sa Europe, no. Mayroong galing sa Norway, sa Belgium, sa Germany, sa the Netherlands at iba pang mga bansa dyan sa Europe mga kababayan na nandun ngayon sila sa The Hague, no. Nagtipon-tipon, so grabe ang daming Pinoy ngayon mga kababayan sa The Hague, no? Pagpapakita mga kababayan sa suporta para kay President Duterte. Pati nga po yung mga mainstream media mga kababayan ay binanatan rin po nila. Sinabi nila na ibalita lang po ang tama, no? Kung ano po yung nangyari doon sa the Netherlands, yun po yung ibalita ng mga mainstream media dito sa ating bansa, sa Pilipinas. Ayan, so nakantsuan nga po nila mga kababayan yung mga nandun, no, mga local media natin doon sa The Hague, Netherlands na nag-cover po dito sa kay President Duterte. Ayan, so ano pong opinion yung mga kababayan, no, dito sa malawakang pagtitipon ngayon ng mga Pilipino doon sa Europe. Ayan, so galing sa iba't ibang bansa dyan sa Europe, nandun ngayon sa The Hague, Netherlands mga kababayan. Please comment down below. Maraming salamat. God bless po sa ating lahat.